Hello everybody, it's me, Program Hero 17, and today is the last day of spring break, and I will show you guys the turtle module like I said in the last video. And even though spring break is over for me, I will still continue learning Python, and I will keep sharing my experience with you. And I will try to upload a Python video once a month. Okay, so before we start with a turtle, we have to know what it is. A turtle is a module that can help create pictures and shapes. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to import the turtle. So how we do this is first we type in import turtle, then press enter and nothing's going to happen. Then we have to give it a name, we have to give a name to our turtle. Let's just do a simple name and say T is the name of our turtle. We'll say T equals turtle dot, and then you have to use a capital P or else it won't work. Pen, and then two parentheses. Then press enter and you will get this screen open. And now you can start doing your programs. So now we're going to be making the turtle move. So the turtle moves in pixels. So what is a pixel? A pixel is the smallest unit in a digital image. And a pixel is short for picture element. Okay, so now that we know what pixels are, now we can make our turtle move. So let's first make it move forward. So we named it T, so we do T dot, and then we want to say in forward. Type forward, and then put a parentheses, and then put how many pixels you want it to move. Let's say 50 pixels. And then end parentheses and press enter. And now if we look, our turtle has moved from the starting point with the black line behind it, 50 pixels. Okay, so now we want our turtle to move backwards. So we do T dot, and then we've typed in forward last time to make it go forward. So we would just type in backwards this time. And then we put in a parentheses. And then let's say we want to go back 100 pixels. And then press enter. And our turtle went backwards 100 pixels from this point. Okay, so now we're going to be looking at how to make our turtle move left and right. So we can do T dot, and then if we want to make it turn left, we do left. And we do a parentheses, and the turtle turns in degrees. So 90 degrees will be like a straight angle, like in a square or a rectangle. 45 would be in halfway, and that would just be for left, and it would be the opposite for right. And so for left, let's just say we want it to turn 90 degrees. Then end parentheses, enter. And now our turtle is facing this way towards the line. Now it's facing up. And now let's make it move. So we want to make it move forward. And then let's say 50 pixels. So it moved another 50 pixels. And then now let's make it turn right. So T dot and then right. And then let's make this turn 45 degrees. And now it turned in a 45-degree angle. And so now we can make it move forward again. Let's make it move 50 pixels again. And now it moved in a 45-degree angle. Okay, so now we're going to be making some shapes. But before we do that, we want to clear our screen. So there's two things. We can clear our screen or reset our screen. If we cleared our screen, our turtle will stay in this angle up here the whole time, and the line that it dragged behind it will go away. If we do reset, the turtle will come back to its starting position and everything will go away. We want to do reset. So we do T dot reset, and then 2 parentheses, enter, and now our picture in the side reset. So now we're going to be drawing some shapes. Let's make a square first, and let's make it a 50 pixels on every side. So we can do T dot forward, and then 50, enter, and it moves 50 degrees. And then now we want to turn it left. So we do T dot left, and because it's a square, we want to make it turn 90 degrees. And then we want to do this over and over again. So we want to do T dot forward again, 50, and then enter, T dot left, 90, enter, and then T dot forward, 50 degrees, and then we have to end it off with a left and then a forward. And then T dot forward. And we would have a square. But we might not be sure if it's a total square because the turtle is over a little bit of the edge. And we can hide the turtle. How we do this is T dot hide turtle. And then 2 parentheses, enter, and the turtle is gone. And we just do T dot show turtle and then 2 parentheses to bring it back. So we can do the same thing for a rectangle if we just keep one side 50 and we made the other side any bigger than 50 or any less than 50. So now we're going to be looking at how to make a triangle. Okay, so before we start drawing our turtle, we need to show our turtle and then we have to reset our page. So let's first reset it. Do T dot reset, and that comes up, and then because we did reset, our turtle automatically came back. So now, as we're gonna do the triangle, I'm gonna show how to fill in triangles with how to fill in color and how to change the color that comes behind the turtle. So for the line coming behind the turtle, how to change that color is pretty simple. You just do T dot color and then parentheses, quotes, double quotes or single quotes, and then put in a color. I'm just gonna do blue. And you don't have to use capitals. And then end quote and end parentheses, and then press enter, and you can see our arrow, our turtle, turned blue. And then for fill color, you want to first type in T dot fill color, and then put in the fill color you want. I'm just going to put in yellow, enter. And now if you look, our arrow has a blue outline and a yellow fill. And so anything that you don't want to do for fill color, I'm going to do T dot begin and then underscore fill and then press return or enter, and then you want to type in your code. So because we're doing a triangle, you want to do T dot forward and then 50 pixels and then end parentheses, enter. And then it gave a blue line because we said to make the color blue. And then we want to make the thing turn 120 degrees to make an equilateral triangle. So you want to do T dot left, T dot left, and then 120 in the parentheses. And now our thing turned 120 degrees. And you do T dot forward, 50 and then enter, and then T dot left 120, enter, and then now we just have to do the last one, T dot forward 50. And then now we have a triangle. So we're gonna end the program now. So, cause that's the end, we started off with a beginning fill, and nothing's there. So now we want to do T dot end underscore fill, enter. And now our fill inside is yellow. And then we can hide our turtle. T dot hide turtle. Okay, so far we've been doing everything with straight lines and stuff, but that's not all you can do with Python. So what you can do is you can actually make stuff with rounded edges, like circles. So now we're going to be looking at how to do that. Let's first reset our page. So T dot reset. And so now it's like this. All the colors are reset and everything's reset. So now how we do a circle is we used to do T dot circle. And without doing like the length or the degrees, we're doing radius for circles. So the radius is from the center to one of the sides. That's the radius. So let's just say our radius, we can say 50 pixels. So it'll be 100 pixels wide. And then press enter and it would draw a circle. So we can draw a circle like that, but we can do everything like before. We can change colors of the line, we can fill in the circle, and we can do lots of stuff like that. Okay, so far, whenever we make our turtle move, there's been a line going right behind it. What if we don't want a line going behind it and we want to go to a certain point on the page and then start drawing? We can do that with the up and down function. So we do T dot up, and up and down means like the pen almost going up, so you can't draw on the ground. So you do T dot up, and then what you do is two parentheses, and then press enter. So now if we try to move forward, we do T dot forward 50 pixels and enter. Our thing would move 50 pixels, but there's no line behind it. So say this is the spot we want to start at and we wanted to start drawing again. We can do T dot down, then two parentheses, enter. And now if we move forward, T dot forward 50 more pixels, there would be a line back on the back. So the last thing I'm going to be showing is changing the width of the line. So the line is pretty small. So if you wanted to make it bigger, you can do T dot width, and then you can put the size in, any size you want. So let's just try a size 20, and then press enter, and let's make it move forward. T dot forward 50 pixels. Now that's pretty big, but we can make it as big as we want. So if we wanted to do T dot width and then make it huge, like let's say 100, and then press enter and then do T dot forward 50 pixels, it would be so much bigger. But we've been making it bigger, but we can make it smaller too. We can do T dot 2 if we wanted to. T dot, and then we have to do width, then 2. And then we can do T dot forward 50 pixels, enter. And you can barely see it, but it moved 50 pixels, but that's really hard to see because it was such a small line. compared to the 100 pixels right next. Okay guys, so that's all for this video, and I'll see if I can upload my next Python video in the next weekend. And in the next video, I'm going to be showing some data types.